Have you ever been unable to access your bank account because you were waiting for a transfer to arrive? Are you in need of money to pay your rent, send a birthday present, or perhaps even purchase that concert ticket you snatched up at the last minute online? The feeling of anticipation may be extremely distressing, particularly when you are unaware of the precise time that those monies will arrive. Well, if you use Relay for your banking needs, you might be wondering, how long does that transfer actually take? Fear not, fellow Relay users, because in this video, we're diving deep into the world of Relay transfer times. Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty, it's important to understand that not all transfers are created equal. The speed at which your recipient sees the money depends on a few key factors. Think of it like choosing a lane on the highway. Some lanes move faster than others. So, buckle up, because we're about to explore the different types of Relay transfers and their estimated arrival times. The Relay race. ACH versus wires. First up, we have the most common contenders, ACH transfers and wires. ACH, which stands for Automated Clearing House, is like the reliable sedan of the transfer world. It's generally the most affordable option, but it doesn't win any speed races. According to Relay, standard ACH transfers take 1 to 2 business days to reach their destination. However, Relay offers a little something extra, same-day ACH, for those times when waiting just isn't an option. This service, available with a Relay Pro subscription, gets your money there on the same business day, as long as you initiate the transfer before the daily cutoff time, which is usually around 3 p.m. Eastern Time. Now, if you need the ultimate in speed, then you might want to consider a domestic wire transfer. Think of this as the express lane of the banking highway. Wires are typically much faster than ACH transfers, with Relay stating a completion time of just 1 business day. However, keep in mind that speed often comes at a cost, and domestic wire transfers may come with additional fees compared to ACH transfers. Going global, international wires. The world is a big place, and sometimes you need to send money across borders. For those international transfers, Relay offers a dedicated wire service. While it won't be as fast as a domestic wire, it should still get the job done in a reasonable time frame. Relay estimates that international wire transfers can take anywhere from 5 to 7 business days to reach the recipient's account. Here's a quick word of caution though. International transfers can involve additional factors that can impact the processing time. Things like currency exchange and verification procedures by the banks involved can add some extra days to the wait. Relay to Relay. Transferring between accounts. Now, what if you just need to move some money between your own Relay accounts? This is where things get super speedy. Relay to Relay transfers, whether between the same login or different logins, should be virtually instantaneous. The funds should be available right away and ready to use within your Relay accounts. Keeping it speedy. A few final tips. So, there you have it. A crash course in Relay transfer times. To recap, ACH transfers take 1 to 2 business days, or the same day with Relay Pro. Domestic wires take 1 business day, international wires take 5 to 7 business days, and Relay to Relay transfers are practically instantaneous. Here are a few final tips to keep your transfers moving smoothly. Double-check your recipient information. A typo in an account number or routing code can cause delays. Initiate transfers early in the day. This gives the banks more time to process the transaction. Be aware of holidays. Banks are closed on federal holidays, so factor that in when scheduling your transfer. With that being said, I would want to thank you for watching, and until we meet again, I wish you a joyful and speedy transfer with Relay.